Where are we Wednesday?
We're in a Hmong village.
And we just got married by a Hmong family.
It's our 12th wedding.
Wedding number 12. So what'd you think?
I thought it was absolutely amazing. I love what they Hmong wear.
Wow.
And the ladies have just, every time I walk by, they're like touching me and fixing me and making sure I look beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, your head's too big. Oh,
My nose is too big.
Oh, you look so handsome.
Okay. Willow. Oh. I mean, I feel. Elvis Presley has nothing on this.
The wedding itself was just wonderful.
还就说我不会原来不路内用这种啥 So today, very happy. My name is Ying. So I am the person today who will help you come together. And here is the parents. So very happy to announce for everyone. Now today you come together.
We had to bow to our ancestors, to our parents, to our children, to everybody at the wedding.
Oh, that's our friend. Yeah. Cho phụ công về Lào. And you together. Nó này be okay. Yeah.
And then we pretty much were married after that, and it really was just special to see everybody there is interested in us as we are of them, and they're showing us their culture, and like my heart's just soaring.
Are we Hmong now?
Pardon?
We're Hmong people now?
Yeah. Only now gay.
How would you dance? What did you think about the dancing?
Oh, and then we had to dance afterwards, and ladies got up and danced with us, and that was even Mom did, and that was so fantastic.
Because only the ladies would dance.
I know the men were shy.
Yeah.
Maybe after a little bit more rice wine, they'll dance later.
Probably. And then the ladies won't dance.
probably know.
Because the guys will be going crazy with the rice wine.
Right now they're over there beating our cake to death.
Yes, our Hmong cake.
Our Hmong rice,
Hmong
sticky rice cake.
Sticky rice wedding cake. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
This is the way we make cake.
This is how you make cake?
Yeah. First,
Ready.
yeah.
I'm ready.
Opposite.
Ram into each other, right?
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Uh-huh.
You're gonna have muscles.
Oi!
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 Wow.
Wow. After this?
After that, we take small part, we squeeze,
Okay.
make very small and circle, and then we cut for eat.
Ah.
Yeah.
What do you
So
do with the
can look-
banana leaf?
Banana leaf, where we make a lot, we couldn't eat, so we use banana leaf to
Preserve.
Save
Save
it.
yeah,
Save it for
yeah,
later.
make private.
Yes.
No, stick together. Ah,
From the land. Made by hand. Fresh honey.
honey for deep.
It's our wedding cake.
It's delicious.
This little boy. Look.
I had too much fun with our cake.
Mom's cleaning. I'm just full of gratitude. First of all, this place is gorgeous, but this family has just taken us in and just loved us. And they touch us and like, you know, I mean, like they're very affectionate to us.
Yeah.
And that's been wonderful.
Yeah.
That's been wonderful.
Their laughs, their smiles are contagious. Their laughter is contagious. It's just, I mean, could you be any happier?
No.
I couldn't be any happier.
Couldn't be any happier.
I mean, I can see how they're happy all the time. And literally, this is something that like you think, oh, okay, farm to table, you know, they grow it
literally
at a
is.
farm and truck it. No, this is literally farm to table. Whether it's been the chicken.
What you eat?
Yeah. Wow.
I've never seen it like this. This is awesome. I love your laugh so much. Or the breakfast.
Or the
they went and got some of the
herbs leafy
down here,
greens.
leafy greens, and then boiled them.
Ginger. Wow, fresh ginger.
Acho, acho, acho.
The rice all comes from here. The bamboo shoots. The pork is, well, there used to be a pig over there, and I'm sure there'll be more pigs coming, but like literally farm to table.
But everybody here, and there's probably 30 people, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
And they're all family. They're all family, and they all came for our day.
Yeah, they did. And this is a kids' table. Everybody has one. And here's the big table. Oh, that's delicious food. What a feast.
It is.
Family feast. And did you see the little kids' table over there?
Yes.
It's the best. I just graduated from the little kids' table.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Mizzou! Mizzou!
I'm gonna be like this. Hold on.
Mazua. Mazua. Mazue. Mazue. Mazoo! 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 Oh, I'm coming. Mazoo! Ah. Mazoo! One, two, Mazoo!
Okay, let's do this.
1, 2, 3. Mazoo! It wasn't easy to get here, but
It was
once
so
you
worth
got
it.
here, it was worth it.
I mean, look at this hat. Look.
Hey, and it worked out. It worked out perfect.
I love it.
Because where were we Wednesday?
We're in Hmong village.
Among the Hmong, getting married by the Hmong, with the Hmong, celebrating the Hmong way. So, yeah. If you have any questions,
We've learned so much about the Hmong people, but we don't necessarily want to put it in this video. But if you have questions about Hmong,
or any questions at all for us, for anything, use the
Yes.
comments, please.
please,
We'll answer back.
yes. If you want to know anything, or, I mean,
And if this is your first time watching any of our videos, please feel free to subscribe, turn the notification on, give us a like, and watch some of the other ones. And leave comments there too. We appreciate you watching. This has been a crazy past few years of just celebrating life in different cultures. Getting to know the ways of life.
the cultures has
Of
been
the-
wonderful.
Yes, it has.
I'm very grateful for
I'm
you.
very grateful for you.
Thanks for marrying me for 12 times.
12 times. I wonder what number 13 is going to be.
You gotta stay tuned. You never know.
1, 2, 3, jump shot!